Good morning.
Don't do that. Don't smile at me.
Don't smile at her. Don't smile at me either.
We're on to you.
We've compared notes.
Compared notes, really.
Mm-hmm. Compared notes, compared pickup lines, compared techniques.
Techniques.
Identical.
Identical.
We formed a club.
Nurses United Against Mark Sloan.
Are there any, club activities? Oh, man, you would not believe what just happened to me.
There's a kid looking for you.
What?
Teddy?
What?
Nicely done.
Thanks.
I'll be getting you back for that.
Looking forward to it.
You're not my father, but I am hoping to build me some EOS.
This boycott has gone on long enough. Now, okay, I have no authority here, but I would like to offer my thoughts on Dr. Sloan.
You're doing great.
This man is a whore. Has always been a whore. Will probably always be a whore. But, I mean, that's not a secret. He's not keeping it hidden. You all knew who he was before you got involved with him. And now you want to be all, woe is me. He doesn't call me back. He's dating other women. He's nasty. But he's a doctor here, and a pretty good one. So let us all close our knees and get back to our job so he can get back to his job and help the people that really need it. Disperse.
The most refined, professional, ladylike doctor in this hospital came to my defense tonight. Best she could come up with was he's a whore. I'm a whore.